Hey guys, it's MJ here. Well, what's today? Dad, what's today?
It's 4th of July, you idiot.
Oh, yeah, that's why all these are here. How many do we have again?
48.
Whoa, and we got our Roman candles right here. Awesome, we got 6 in every pack, so what's 6 plus 6 plus 6?
18.
18. We got some firecrackers. These are smoke bombs up here. Some more smoke bombs. Rockets?
Mortars.
Moon rockets.
And mortars.
And mortars. Oh, yeah. And we have little, like, fly-offs. And mortars. Oh, why did I forget? Oh, okay. Well, I'll see you guys when I'm shooting them. So, bye.